You think too much about your future, about your money, about your past, about what people think of you, about the mistakes you made years ago. Slowly, without even realizing it, your mind becomes a prison. Some people are physically free, but mentally they are chained. They cannot sleep peacefully. They cannot enjoy a single moment. Their body is in one place, but their mind is drowning somewhere else. Overthinking has become the disease of this generation. You replay conversations that already ended. You imagine problems that have not even happened. You create scenarios in your mind that may never exist. Shaitan loves this, because the more you overthink, the weaker your heart becomes. The more you overthink, the less you trust Allah. Not every thought deserves your attention. Just because a thought enters your mind does not mean it speaks the truth. Some thoughts are only fear. Some are whispers. Some are there to break your confidence, destroy your peace, and make you forget the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How many nights have you stayed awake worrying about your rizq? Well, Allah already wrote it before you were born. How many times have you stressed about tomorrow? Well, Allah is the one who controls tomorrow. You are exhausting yourself trying to control what was never in your hands to begin with. This dunya will do that to you. Social media makes you compare your life to everyone else. You see people getting married, becoming rich, buying homes, traveling the world, and suddenly you feel behind in life. Suddenly you feel like a failure. But what you do not see are the tears behind closed doors. You do not see the emptiness hidden behind the smiles. Allah did not create you to compete with everyone. Allah created you with your own test, your own journey, your own timing. Some blessings come quickly. Others come after years of patience. But what is written for you will never miss you. The Prophet ﷺ taught us something powerful. If the entire world gathered together to benefit you, they cannot benefit you except with what Allah already wrote for you. And if the entire world gathered to harm you, they cannot harm you except with what Allah already wrote against you. So why are you killing yourself with anxiety? Why are you carrying mountains on your shoulders when Allah told you to rely on Him? Sometimes the reason your chest feels heavy is because you stopped making dua. You stopped praying with presence. You stopped talking to Allah. But you kept talking to your fears. Go back to Allah. Cry to Him in sujood. Speak to Him in the middle of the night. Because the heart that remembers Allah finds peace, even in chaos. And the heart that forgets Allah will never find peace, even if it owns the world. This life was never meant to be perfect. There will always be tests. There will always be delays. There will always be pain. But a believer knows something the world does not understand. Every hardship has an expiration date. So breathe. Slow down. Stop letting your thoughts destroy you. Stop assuming the worst. Stop living in fear of a future that Allah already controls. Remember this. The same Allah who carried you through every painful moment in your past is the same Allah who will carry you through whatever comes next. You have survived every bad day you thought would destroy you by the mercy of Allah. You are still here. So trust Him even when you do not understand, even when life feels confusing, even when the road ahead looks dark. Because sometimes Allah removes clarity from your sight so you can finally learn to walk by faith. May Allah calm every anxious heart. May Allah remove the heaviness from your chest and replace it with peace. May Allah protect your mind from fear, sadness, and endless overthinking.